crystals or your kefir grains. I'm cutting my bag open and I'm going to empty the kefir grains into a bowl through a sieve. Get a wide mouth jar ready because that's what we're going to use to make the kefir in. We are going to need a jar, a cloth and a rubber band, sugar and raisins and water. First add hot water to a jug to dissolve the sugar in. Adding the rest of the water, this will bring the temperature down. And here I'm adding the water to the jar. I'm doing it like this because I need 1 liter of liquid, and this is only a 500 ml jug. Always test that the water is cool enough before you add in your water kefir crystals. If it burns your finger, it's too hot. Add the water kefir crystals to the sweet water. Add the raisins and close it up with a cloth and secure it with a rubber band. This is to keep the insects out. Put your kefir out of direct sunlight on the counter at a safe spot for 12 to 48 hours. This is what kefir looks like when ready for bottling. You can see the raisins is puffed up and the color has changed. The kefir has gone lighter in color. And now for the lazy way of making water kefir. This is what you'll need from start to finish. Okay, what I have here is a jar with a cloth, a rubber band, filtered water, a funnel, a sieve, a 1/4 cup of sugar and a bottle to bottle the kefir in. Bottle the water kefir by straining it into a bottle with a strainer and funnel. With very clean hands, remove the raisins and compost it. Pour the water kefir crystals back into the jar. Add your sugar and your water. Swirl it around and cover with a cloth or rubber band. Put it on the counter for 12 to 48 hours and let the bottled kefir mature for 3 to 7 days. Always check your bottles. You don't want it to explode.